You're probably wondering how I got myself into this situation. Let's just say when you're managing 3 crazy-ass rappers, their problems become your problems.
Baddest chicks in the game, Ratchet pack will never stop. Red, here comes a boom. Red, that's me, the missus. Got grands on the gram, hashtag red, here comes a boom. Red, that's me, the missus. Got grands on the gram, hashtag red. My mark. Can we run that back?
Really?
What? I gotta get in my zone.
Dusty, why you let her go in the booth first anyway? You know it'd take her 3 cups and a blunt just to spit 1 verse.
Listen, I don't have time for y'all two today. I need to get in the booth, drop my verse, and I gotta go to church.
Church?
Okay.
At 8 o'clock at night?
Yeah, it's called evening service.
Yeah, but who you surfacing though?
Right? She taking ID on her knees for that money.
Listen, I could go in on her right now, but I'm gonna just pray for her instead because she don't want me to go in her dirty past.
Oh, that's true though. It is dirty.
Okay, honey.
Need some spick and span.
Because yours is clean.
Squeaky.
Look who showed up.
Bill,
Finally.
Hello, what's up?
okay, come on, can we focus? We're losing time here. We're losing time.
He just?
Yeah,
No,
you
you didn't.
No, you didn't.
No,
Okay.
Wow.
How are you gonna talk about time management when you can't even manage your own damn time?
Exactly.
That wasn't even me. Talk to baby daddy number 4, Devon, in his broke down car.
Oh, we all know he's broke. You know that.
Okay,
True.
this is a hater. Please do not come for my man right now because at least he provides for his family and his hand's not always in the collection plate.
Okay, true.
The point is, I've been making things happen, okay? Doing big things.
Okay.
I ran into an old friend, told him that we needed promo pics for the showcase. Come to find out, he would love the help.
Talking about.
We're gonna be like,
Okay.
Yes.
So I did my job, right?
Finally.
And I need you, and you to do yours and take your game to the next level because the world isn't ready for the Ratchet Pack.
Oh,
They're not ready for the Ratchet Pack! They're not ready for the Ratchet Pack! Get in this, go. Ollie, go. Come on.
Alright, I guess we should spit something.
Yes. That's it. Beautiful. Oh my God. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Get it. Own it. I am the world-renowned fashion photographer, Nick Grimes. I've shot all over the world, from Paris to Milan to Tokyo. My work can be seen in blah, blah, blah. Look, I don't like to name drop. I think it's just so... Max and I go way back. He did something for me, so I'm gonna do something for him.
Alright, photo shoot ready.
This better be a legit photo shoot. Alright,
No, I'm ready for my close-up.
Right. Looking good.
No, look who it is.
for no reason.
You ready?
So, I see you accepted my offer.
But you said that if I did that thing,
I didn't say, I suggested. Like moth to the flame when you're an artist.
Let's try.
Okay.
Oh, hell no. Deuces. See you. Thanks for showing up.
Your shoot's over.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
she She has no idea what she's dealing with. And she will discover it. Game's on.
Beautiful, beautiful. Hold that. Here. Try it from like this angle. Contour like this.
Like
yep,
Vogue?
Yep, like that.
I got this.
Ew, back up on my hair. Did you see that? He was getting way too intimate. Had his hands all up in his Dominican curly hair like it's nothing. He better keep his hands to himself or we gonna have problems.
That's it? Okay.
Damn. Take the shot.
I don't know what his problem is. I ain't never had any complaints about how I posed before. And I posed plenty. Ooh.
Oh my God!
Yo, what's up? I come kinda cool. I be like Mr. T when I pity the fool. Yeah, this shit was dope, right? I already know. This past year, I've been doing the whole tour thing. But now I got some free time. I came to show support to my girl Numani, cause I believe in her and she gonna be a star like me. She ain't gonna look as good as me though. Take care. We go love it. Oh yeah, baby, that's my new joint. It's from my new single. I'm thinking about calling it the Get. The Getty Get.
Ew, nobody what? No. Please stop. Because you were a rapper.
It doesn't matter, man. What you talking about? Remember this? Bad, huh?
No, nobody remembers that though. No, don't quit your day job. No.
It ain't hot.
I love it.
It's hot because they made it hot.
Oh,
Just like if I make my joint hot. Like y'all must forget. Back in the days, I used to have people walk around with spoons in their mouth. Yeah, right there, baby. That looks so cute. Look at me, see?
Who's this bitch?
Look. Nobody special.
Yo, this that same bitch from the photo shoot.
Getty.
Damn, hasn't even been a day?
Stop, baby. Money, stop. Chill.
We back at this again?
Money always been a possessive type. That's one thing that I love about her. But she has to understand that women used to cut my pictures out of magazines and just, putting it on their walls. Wishing one day they could be with me. Who am I to stop that? New money!
I want to hear it.
She must have took my phone and put her number in it.
You gave her your phone? I thought she was nobody special, huh?
She's not nobody special.
I know. Come on, let's go. Get me out. Get me out!
She's not. Her phone died instantly. Used mine real fast. That's all.
That's all? Then why is she texting me?
And she's a fan. Okay, it's not that serious.
A fan, huh? Oh, hell no.
Okay, look. These females buy my records, okay? They cut on my shows, okay? That's how I make my money. That's how I make our money. Okay, it's not that serious. It's a business, all right? You know I'm loyal to you, okay? Come here.
I know he got a lot of female fans, and I'm cool with that. There's a difference between a fan and a bitch that's trying to make moves. And ain't nobody doing that thing with my man but me.
Ho! Hey. What's going on, guys? Did you just call me?
Are we somewhere, Maxine?
Nah, I was just going to go clear my head. Just want to get some fresh air, you know?
Well, that's good, because Frosty here would be upset if you were trying to avoid him.
Avoid me, Max?
Oh, no, man, avoid you, please. But why would I want to avoid you? I mean, oh, you thought I'm trying to leave you hanging. Man, come on, I'm not that crazy, right?
I don't know, Frosty. I mean, look at him. He's got those shifty eyes. I think he's hiding something from us.
I mean, what does he want me to do, stare at him?
Is there something you want to tell me, Max?
Frosty, no. Come on, man. You know me. You know me, man.
Oh.
I let him slap me because it's all about strategy. I let him get the first slap in, and then he won't see my rebuttal. That's why I'm the brains.
I told you not to look into his eyes.
No, you didn't.
I don't know, Frosty. I mean, I don't trust this guy. And the business we're in?
Do we have trust issues?
No, Frosty, come on. Trust me, okay? I'll have your money.
Now, I don't want you to think I'm being petty here, but I'm just not getting a sense of urgency from him. I think he's gonna need some incentive to understand urgency.
I am full of incentive, actually. I love incentive. I have it every single day for breakfast. No, please, I'm good. I'm on it, trust me, believe me. And I needed that too. The slap was good. You know, I needed to kick in the butt, you know? I needed to wake up, you know? I needed, you know, younger Max would I have to really laugh it off because I'm really scared of myself if I would go in that direction.
What is Max smoking? Really? Girl, he already tried it last week with the wannabe photo shoot. Nah, we need to sit down. Because if he can't get us where we need to be, then we need to find somebody who can. Yes. Oh, shoot. Here we go. All right. Go. All right. Come on, Sugar Babe.
All I'm saying is there will never be another Tupac, yo. Never. All right? All right, we'll be back after this. Oh, I've been looking everywhere for this one. Yes. Oh, this is excellent work. No visible stitching, man. No staples, man. This is the real deal, right? This is
Is
real.
this a radio interview or some geeky porno shit?
Hey, where you going? Come on in there. Make yourself at home. This is my happy place right here. You see all this? Have a seat.
This is your happy.
Yeah, make yourself comfortable. Man, what you doing, man?
Oh,
You
no,
sitting on
you
stuff?
didn't.
Come on, man.
Where is Max? Nuh-uh.
Come on, who raised you?
It's a toy.
Hey, it's a
Where
plush.
is that?
It's a plush. My therapist recommended that I find my happy place, so this is my happy place, man. It's plush. We are back with the Ratchet pack. All righty, but first we're gonna take a quick question. All right, you are with the Ratchet pack. What's your question?
Hello? Boy?
Yep, you're with the Ratchet pack.
Oh shit, man. Is this DJ Breezy?
Yeah.
Um,
Speak.
oh, can you hear me? You ready?
Yes, go.
Oh, look, I'm a rapper, and you like rap music, right?
Let me get the hell on out of here, man. All right. Now you see why I need my happy place. Okay, ladies, I see y'all out here looking good, you know, doing your thing. I heard the new single, It's Hot, you know, but I gotta ask because the fans want to know. Sugar Babe, why you going to an indie label when you're already with a major label? Isn't that doing it the other way around?
Says who? I did what was best for me. Besides, I needed to be in a place where I could have more creative freedom, and Max promised me that.
Really? I thought it was because you beat an executive producer's ass when you saw him with his new.
I'm never the one to fight over a jump off. Now give me a fake Michael Kors, maybe. What? Your entrepreneur girl decided to call you back?
You're just mad because my man is out there making money.
If you like it, I love it. I just got tired of catching him driving in both lanes.
The lies you tell. You're just mad because he chose me, boo-boo.
Chose? He can never afford this. And
All right,
never will.
ladies, let's focus on the music. Let's focus on the music.
Yes, let's focus on the music. I'm actually working on a single called Truth Be Told. Because the truth needs to be told.
The truth will be told. I cannot
told.
stand you.
All this talk.
I'm trying to go
All this talk. Thought
What
you
you
were supposed to
mean
be
all
going
this
to
talk?
church and stuff.
I was.
Oh,
But you
okay.
know what? You're
Fake
making me
liar.
fake.
Lies.
I will show you
Lies,
fake.
lies,
Listen,
lies.
back up.
That bitch. That's why I have my man on lock.
Ooh, girl, if that was my man, a bitch would get it real quick.
You putting your hair up. You ready for
it.
Yeah. Woo! You are a G. Thank you. So, hold on. Yeah.
I got arrested. I need you to bail me out.
Okay.